Alright guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Metal Head Reacts. So today guys, I'm gonna do a song for you by Doja Cat, and that song is Need to Know. Alright, so this is first time reaction for me. I've never heard this song before, I've never seen the video before. So today I am going to look at the video and also take some time and listen to the song. Alright, so you gonna do that with me guys? Alright, let's get right to it. Alright, let's see what we got. Ooh. Need to know. Alright, look like we got a movie scene before we gotta skip before we start. Whoa. What she got on her feet there? I hey, these girls are like like partially nude, man. Well, the name of the song "Need to Know." I didn't see that coming with all these say like they're like freaks, you know. See an alien. Well, they probably all are aliens. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know what they are in there. You wanna do what all night? Oh, what you say? Poof, 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 like Alakazam. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Hey, this song is a must watch, guys. You guys have to watch this song. You guys have to look at this video. You have to look at this video. Alright, guys. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. I hope you enjoy my reaction, guys. Um, this is the first for me, and well, I've gotten as far as 2 minutes and 35 seconds, so I want to see what the rest of the video got to offer. All right, guys. Hi. So before we continue watching this video, please like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Okay, guys. Till let's continue watching. Pussy Alakazam. She wanna do wild night. No, no. Don't look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey, Doja Cat was like all of, yeah, poof, pussy Alakazam. Yeah, I don't know what that means, man. Like Alakazam, poof, pussy, like pussy gone, pussy disappear. I don't know, guys. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the reaction, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button, like, and share. Alright, guys, till next time.